So hello, I'm Alexis Mathieu, and I'm the founder and CEO at FeetMe. So what we do at FeetMe is we develop gait sensing technologies to track and treat patients suffering from gait-related disorders. So before selecting any digital solution and wearable technologies, it's crucial to identify the existing challenges in the industry, especially how we can help different stakeholders, the patient, the investigators, and the researchers and authorities. So the patients are facing more and more complex protocols with an increased number of assessments and tests, while important events during their daily life might still be missed, or it's their responsibility to report them. So this leads to higher dropouts and missing data. For researchers, data is today only available on the visit days, and there's a chance to miss important fluctuation of the disease over time. On top, the data collected on-site suffer from variability, leading to difficulties identifying sensitive changes and requiring a higher recruitment of patients. There's a lack of validated surrogate markers, and some of the endpoints are based on patient feedback, which remain very subjective. This is leading to only insufficient number of compounds gaining approval, while the authorities are requesting more and more meaningful outcomes and demonstration of efficacy in the real-world trials. Those challenges lead to problems with patient engagement, adherence, and compliance, limited insight on outcome measurement, and the risk of failure and reduced reimbursement. So imagine if you could collect meaningful and sensitive gait data and mobility data anywhere continuously and frictionless for the patient. So FeetMe is a digital health company providing a high-quality, unique technology platform for in-clinic and real-world gait and activity assessment. FeetMe is developing innovative biomarkers and rehabilitation tools through passive gait assessment wearables. We replace subjective clinical endpoints and outcome assessment with quantitative, continuous patient monitoring, generating high-density digital endpoints reflective of patient function and disease pathophysiology. So clinical gait tests today are used to identify mobility disorders, measure the efficacy of a therapeutic treatment. This is done on a controlled setting at sites. However, technology or designs used today present strong limitations. Episodic assessment, sometimes observational, don't generate sufficient sensitive data to demonstrate subtle changes. The FeetMe solutions allow the collection of validated gait data at site with the insoles and in the same exact accurate way in the patient daily life, allowing continuous recording of gait data. This way, it validates the current accepted endpoints like the 6-minute walk test at the site and amended with real-world data. So the insoles are the first real-world and real-time gait analysis solution. We bring a complete mobility lab right into your shoes. They combine a patented technology of pressure sensors, motion sensors, and real-time embedded calculation to measure gait parameters. For convenience, patients only need to slip them into the shoes and start walking, and it collects data step by step. To make the patient experience unique, the insoles are standalone with internal memory. They are invisible when worn. They contain a wireless charging technology to avoid any difficulties with wires and connectors. As indicated, data can be collected both at the site in real time and at home in real-world conditions. When used as a passive monitoring device, the insoles collect up to 26 days of data while the patient is walking. FeetMe has secured its platform with encryption to match the highest security standards. As Gait is gaining more and more interest in research, though it might not be the only parameter of interest, FeetMe partners with digital companies to integrate in a single platform for convenience for patients and sponsors. So how does it work? What we're doing is we are combining both pressure sensors and motion